नमामि शमीशाननिर्वाणरूपं विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदस्वरूपं निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहं चिदाकाशमाकाशवासं भजेऽहम्. I reverence the sovereign Lord, the embodiment of salvation, the omnipotent and all pervading absolute manifest in the form of the Vedas. I worship the self contained, the unqualified, undifferentiated, desireless intelligence, the heavens themselves, wearing the heavens as his garment. निराकार ओंकार मूलं तुरीयं गिरा ज्ञान गोतीतमीशं गिरीशं करालं महाकालकालं कृपालं गुणागार संसारपारं नतोऽहम्. I bow to the Supreme Lord, who is formless, source of the sacred syllable Om, symbolizing Brahma, the nominal self of creatures which transcends all conditions and states beyond all speech, understanding of self, perception, terrible yet gracious, the ruler of Kailasha, the devourer even of death, the Almighty, the abode of virtues, immortal. तुषाराद्रिसन्काशगोरं गम्भीरं मनोभूतकोटिप्रभाश्रीशरीरम् स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोनिचारुगङ्गा लसद्बालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुजङ्गा. I worship Shankara, Solomon, the white as the snow clad Himalayan, radiant with the beauty of a myriad loves, with the fair rippling Ganga sparkling out from his matted locks, the crescent moon adorning his bow and snakes coiling round his neck. Chalat kundalam bhru sunetram vishalam प्रसन्नाननं नीलकण्ठं दयालं मृगाधीशचर्मापरं मुण्डमालं प्रियं शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि. Who is the beloved Lord of all, with tremulous pendants hanging from his earlobes, eyebrows and large eyes, who is pitiful with a cheerful countenance and a blue speck on his throat, a lion's skin wrapped round his waist, and necklace of skulls round his neck. Prachandam prakashtam pragalbham paresham akandam ajam bhanukoti prakasham. त्रयशूलनिर्मूलनं शूलपाणिं भजेऽहं भवानीपतिं भावगम्यम्. I worship Shankara, Bhavani's spouse, the fierce, the exalted, the luminous, the supreme Lord, the indivisible, unbegotten, brilliant with the radiance of a myriad suns, tearing up by the roots the threefold pains, trident in hand, accessible only to love. कलातीत कल्याण कल्पांतकारी सदा सच्चिदानंद दाता पुरारी चिदानंद संदोह मोहापहारी प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो मन्मथारी. O you who are without parts, ever blessed, cause of universal destruction at the end of each round of creation, a source of perpetual delight to the virtuous slayer of the demon Tripura, intelligence and bliss personified, dispeller of delusion. Have mercy, O my Lord, have mercy, O foe of love. न यावद् उमानाथपादारविन्दं भजन्ति हि लोके परे वा नराणाम् न तावत् सुखं शान्तिसन्तापनाशं प्रसीद प्रभो सर्वभूताधिवासम्. O Lord of Uma, so long as men worship not your lotus feet, neither in this world nor in the next is there any happiness for them, nor peace of mind, nor cessation of their miseries. Have mercy, Lord, who dwell in the hearts of all creatures and are abode of all. न जानामि योगं जपं नैव पूजां न तोऽहं सदा सर्वदा शम्भुतोऽभ्यं जराजन्मदुःख्योदताताप्यमानं प्रभो पाहि आपन्नमामीश शम्भो. I know nothing of contemplation, prayer, or worship, but at all times and in all places I pay obeisance to you, O Shambhu. Have mercy, my Lord and my God, on a wretch so sore, beset by all the pains attendant on old age and rebirth. रुद्राष्टकमिदं प्रोक्तं विप्रेण हर्तोषय ये पठन्ति नरा भक्तया तेषां शम्भु प्रसीदति. This eightfold hymns of praise was uttered by the Brahman to propitiate Shankara. To those who devotedly repeat it, the blessed Lord Shambhu shows his favor. Hari Om.